Hi, this is Dr. Story. I'm willing to bet that you are stretching your psoas and hip flexors wrong. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it correctly and the most common mistake that I see patients doing. The first is that they're lengthening their body too much. When I show them how to do this stretch, what they often find is that they get a better stretch, better results from it, but it doesn't seem like it's doing as much because they're not lengthening their body. That's okay. Once you've tried it the way that I'm going to show you, I think you'll agree that this is a much more effective way to stretch your hip flexors. So here we go. So most of the patients that I talk to, when I ask them to show me exactly how they're doing the stretching of their hip flexors, they'll do something like this. They'll get in this position and they'll lengthen it like this. And the mistake that they're doing is their pelvis, if you can imagine your belt is pointing in this direction. Their hip is way out here and their leg is too far forward. A much better way to stretch it would be to get in the 90-90 position just like this. Now what I tell patients to do then is imagine your pelvis and your belt is facing in this direction. You're going to tuck your belly button in and rotate it so your belt is perfectly level. Once we do that, most patients will actually feel the pulling in the front of the thigh and the groin, which is telling us that they're stretching it correctly. Only then do you need to give your hip about 10 degrees more extension while maintaining this posture. And this is how you stretch it properly. Give this stretch a try the way I showed you. I think you'll be very pleased and surprised at what a great stretch this is. It's much more effective than that lengthening type of stretch. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I give a lot of good videos on health-related topics that I think you'll like. Also, if you have any specific questions regarding this stretch, leave those questions in the comments section below and I'd be happy to answer them for you.